This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Telegram. So Telegram, the popular messaging app, I'm right here on the main downloads page. Very Spartan, as you can see. I like it. So the downloads page, desktop.telegram.org. So you can get Telegram on a range of different platforms, everything from your mobile phone, your cell phone, tablets, so on and so forth. This is the desktop version currently here. You can find it on the Mac App Store. We can show all platforms, or we could just get Telegram on, and it will know what operating system you're on, so it's correctly identified that I am in fact on Mac OS. We can click here for show all platforms, and we can see that there is a number of different versions here. So there's a portable version for Windows, there's the 64-bit version for Windows, a Linux 64-bit, and the main Mac OS version, which I mentioned earlier. So you will pick your poison here. Obviously, if you're Windows, you'll go with this version probably, unless you want an older version, if you have sort of compatibility issues. And you will pick your poison here. You will click one of these. If you're Windows, obviously you're going to click here. For Mac OS, you'll click this button, so on and so forth. Pretty straightforward. Depending on your browser, this will be downloaded to your browser's downloads location. For example, I'm on Google Chrome on this Mac, so it goes directly to my downloads folder. Your downloads folder, your downloads location might be different to mine, but the simple bit from there is just to install the Telegram installer. From there, that's the easy bit. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Telegram, how to find and download Telegram useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.